Today, we are reviewing an important follow-up ultrasound case of a 50-year-old male with previous kidney cancer surgery. Let's see what the scan reveals. Liver. Normal size. Smooth contour. Homogeneous echotexture. No focal lesion or metastasis. No biliary dilatation. The liver appears completely normal, with no sign of cancer spread. Gallbladder. No stone or sludge. Thin, smooth wall. CBD normal. Right renal fossa. Right kidney absent. Hypoechoic irregular mass. Heterogeneous internal echoes. Ill-defined margins. Minimal vascularity on Doppler. This is the key finding, a suspicious mass in the surgical bed. This could represent recurrence or residual tumor. Surrounding area: mild fluid collection, mesenteric thickening. These changes may indicate inflammation or possible tumor spread. Left kidney. Normal size, about 12 centimeters. No stone, mass, hydronephrosis. Urinary bladder. Smooth wall, no mass, no residual urine. Prostate. Enlargement, heterogeneous texture. Impression. Post-Nephrectomy status. Suspicious renal fossa mass. Possible recurrence versus inflammation. Normal left kidney. BPH. Consult urologist/oncologist urgently. Do a CT scan or MRI for confirmation. Follow regular cancer follow-up schedule. Report symptoms like pain, weight loss, blood in urine. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Monitor urinary symptoms due to prostate enlargement.